Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. First, pick the photos or the folder you want to share. Use Shift or Control to select multiple items quickly. Once selected, right-click and choose Share, or click the link icon at the top. This starts sharing. You do this now because selecting correctly prevents accidental exposure later. Make sure your drive has enough storage and that photos are organized into one folder if you want consistent permissions for the whole set. Once the share dialog is open, decide who can do what: viewer, commenter, or editor. Grant access to specific email addresses for private sharing, or use GetLink and change it to anyone with the link for broader access. You should set an expiration date for temporary shares and check the box to prevent editors from changing permissions if you need control. These choices matter because they control editing, downloading, and future visibility of your photos. Finish by adding an optional message and clicking Send, or copy the shareable link and paste it where you need. Once done, verify the link works by opening it in an incognito window or a different account. That proves permissions behave as expected. If someone can't open the photos, make sure you're the owner or have editor rights, confirm the link type isn't restricted, and check Drive's sharing limits. Adjust permissions, then retry sending the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.